Hi everyone, this is Tricia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're using Dollar Tree items for DIY room decor and a little inspiration from Pottery Barn and West Elm. Since I'm currently redoing my living, dining and entryway area, I thought I'll share a couple of DIY room decor ideas I'm including in these spaces. For this first project, I'm using a small bowl and a toilet plunger. After gluing them together, I'm using regular baking soda and sample paint I had in my stash to apply a textured finish. I never go to Home Depot without checking out the Oops Paint corner. They're usually random colors, but I always grab whatever I feel I can use for future projects. This one doesn't seem to have a name of the color, but for 50 cents, it's great for little projects like these. I'm going for earthy tones, so I'm just going to mix the colors that I have until I get something that I like. I'm using a small glass, couple of disposable spoons, and a chip brush from the dollar store. I added a little bit of black just to muddy the color a bit. Baking soda gives it texture, so I kept adding until I got the texture I needed. People often ask, what is the ratio of baking soda to paint? Honestly, it's whatever texture you're trying to achieve. The more baking soda, the more texture you get. I ended up using about a 50-50 ratio. I'm applying it across and around so the brush strokes mimic the look of pottery. Then I'm adding the same mixture to this slim vase, also from the Dollar Tree. Once they were both dried, I mixed up a white wash and dry brush lightly around both pieces. This is a shade of white that I'm currently painting on my walls. I just mixed 50-50 with water. I applied it heavier or lighter in some areas to add some dimension. To complete the trio, I'm using this vase that I've had and not using anymore. After cleaning it up, I'm adding the original Oops paint, the no-name color, and mixing 50-50 with baking soda. Now I'm just going to dry brush this color on the first two pieces. Once this vase was dried, I did the same thing and dry brushed the two mixtures from the first two pieces. And this is my homemade version of earthen vessels. 3 items from the Dollar Tree, an old vase, and some Oops paint. Overall cost, less than $5. This next project was also a lot of fun to do. I'm using these glass ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I started off spraying a couple of them with this leftover spray paint from another project. Here I'm using a small bowl of water and adding varying colors of spray paint. My decor is mostly neutrals with accents of black and brass, so these are also what I had on hand. Then I'm just rolling the ornament lightly in the water to get its own random pattern. I had no real plan here. I just went with the flow and added different layers of colors that I liked together. And since these are really Christmas tree ornaments, you can just reattach the tops and use them on the tree. Use whatever colors you like and create your own unique decorations. I then glued together 2 bowls from the Dollar Tree to make a footed decorative bowl and sprayed it black. And here are my West Elm inspired speckled glass bowls. Ornaments and bowls from the Dollar Tree, ends of spray paint I had on hand, and some imagination. Overall cost, less than $10. And that's it for today, guys. I hope this inspires you to look around your home and always see the potential. Until next time, bye for now.